Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with emails mysteriously vanishing into the spam folder on Comcast, you're not alone. In this video, we'll cover how to unblock those emails in 2025, with Comcast's latest updates making the process even smoother. Whether it's a vital work message or a newsletter from your favorite brand, I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Comcast account. Head over to xfinity.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the email section. Look for the Email tab at the top. This is where all the magic happens. Next, go to your settings. Click on Preferences or Settings in the menu, and then find the Filters and Blocked Senders option. It's usually under the Spam or Security settings. Here, you'll see a list of blocked senders or domains. Scroll through and identify the one you want to unblock. Maybe it's an email address that's been flagged by mistake. To unblock it, simply select the sender and hit the Unblock or Remove button. Comcast might ask you to confirm this action, so go ahead and verify. After that, don't forget to check your spam folder just in case. Open any emails from that sender to mark them as not spam, which helps train Comcast's filters for the future. One quick tip for 2025. Comcast has rolled out enhanced AI filters, so if you're still having issues, review your custom rules in the advanced settings. You can add the sender to your safe list to prevent future blocks. Finally, send a test email to yourself or the blocked sender to ensure everything's working properly. And there you have it. Your emails should be flowing freely now. This process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes, but it can save you a ton of hassle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.